Searching for the best college? Then your search ends now with one of India's leading university, IIMT Meerut, known for transforming education system and transforming life.
Hello everyone, we are inside the College of Computer Science and Applications, IIMT University Meerut, and we are accompanied with one great personality with us, Dr. Deepak who is the Dean of our colleges. Thank you very much for having us here, sir.
Welcome, Harshita.
Okay, so sir, what all courses do you offer in Computer Science and Applications?
Well, at School of Computer Science and Applications, we are offering BCA, BSc Computer Science, MCA. In BCA, we are doing some specialization courses. We are offering some specialization courses like BCA in Cloud and Cyber Security, okay. BCA in Full Stack. In BSc Computer Science, we are offering specialization courses in data science.
Data science.
Well, in MCA, we are offering specialization course in artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay.
So these are the courses we are offering. Apart from that, we are offering PhD in computer science.
PhD is also.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, sir, to be a part of Computer Science and Applications, what should my student opt in class 11th and 12th?
You see, for BCA courses, there is no there is no requirement of whether they are supposed to just pass +2 with at least 50% marks.
Okay.
Well, as for the BSc Computer Science, they need to pass with PCM with at least 50% marks.
PCM. Okay, and for BCA, Commerce or Humanities, anything would be fine?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, that's great. That's a new knowledge. Even I never had that. I thought Commerce student can only go through BCA.
No.
Any stream?
Humanities, Science, Arts, any student can opt for BCA. But for BSc Computer Science,
you need to be a PCM
okay.
student.
Student.
So basically, we've been hearing about BCA and BSc a lot of courses, a lot of colleges are offering these courses. So what is the scope once the student opts for this course, post completing the graduation? What is the scope of getting the job opportunities?
This is a very nice question you asked, Harshita. Let me tell you one thing. In IT, basically in IT, the whole world is at a common platform. Okay. If you see electrical, mechanical, civil, so different countries having different standards. Okay. But in IT, not only IT and electronics, electronics and communication, the whole world is at the same platform. So we'll have to run. We'll have to run across the latest developments. Okay. You must know the contemporary subjects, latest development, and you must change according to the demand of time. So have you noticed one thing, that during the lockdown, whole world nowadays everybody is online and we are just
Everyone has become
tech savvy.
Absolutely.
So this is the recent trend we followed, that we are learning how to do the things sitting in home, that is work from home culture. Absolutely. In academics also.
Absolutely.
So that's why in the IT, sky is the limit. Okay. From the databases, web tech development, you see your software testing, software development. So there is n number of options are there. Even if you are a good designer, you can get very good job very easily. There is no problem.
So basically, IT is one thing which is common India and abroad. So it doesn't really matter from wherever you are studying. You have the opportunities worldwide.
Worldwide. One more thing I must tell you here, that you see, doing the course in computer science, it doesn't mean that you must be very good in programming only. Okay. Programming is one part. Okay. If you are very good in designing, you can work as a front-end developer, okay. Website designer. If you are very good in databases, you can work as a database administrator. If you are very good in you see numerical methods and all, so you can be a very good tester, software tester.
Okay, so it's not limited to data. The sky is the limit when you enter.
Sky is the limit. Okay. Whatever skill you are having, you can apply in IT field. Let us see. If you are having a very good skill in biological sciences, okay. So you can come in bioinformatics. Getting my point?
Absolutely.
So you can come in bioinformatics. If you have very good knowledge, if you are inclined towards the mechanical, okay. So you can come for the biomedical engineering sciences to develop some IT in the biomedical devices.
very intelligent to understand, sir. But
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that people who think about pursuing BCA must not be aware about all these courses which are included in it and all the scope, because we've only thought about the limited access towards BCA and MCA. Okay, so sir, post completing the graduation, student also go for the master's degree or the doctorate degree if they want to end up in the academic section, or the IT sector is also there.
Yeah, in IT, definitely means to this track, that is BCA and BSc Computer Science. A student must do MCA before getting job.
Okay.
This is my suggestion to every student.
Okay.
There is a reason behind this. You see, if you are doing BCA, you will get early means at the entry level jobs in IT.
Absolutely.
But if you want to make your career at the higher jobs, like you see,
Better
team lead,
positions in
better
the market.
positions, team lead, project manager and all. So they are asking either BTech or MCA.
Okay.
Yeah. So BCA, if you are having 10 and 12 and 15 years of experience, then you can be
course.
promoted.
Otherwise, education is
But for better job, always MCA is advisable to a student.
So students have got a great tip from the dean of this college, that if you want to kickstart your career with a better position, post doing your BCA, you should always opt for MCA and then start doing job. Okay, great. So sir, there are a lot of colleges and universities which offers BCA, of course. Why should one student should opt for IIMT University?
Again, I must tell you that this is again a very good question to ask. Why I am telling you that we are the only university and school in this northern India. We are offering a specialization course in UG and PG both. If you see, yeah, we are the only. If you see, many universities and institutions are offering plain BCA, MCA and BSc Computer Science.
Yes.
But we are offering a specialization course in BCA, BSc Computer Science and MCA. And one more very interesting fact I must tell you, these specializations we are offering as a augmented course in collaboration with ECIT IIT Kanpur.
Okay.
So the modus operandi is like this. In a semester we are offering, let's say we are offering 5 subjects in UG courses.
Okay.
So one courses we are offering in collaboration with IT. 4 courses we are offering from IIMT University. If you see in the background, you can see the students are sitting and they are doing the course of cloud computing. And this cloud computing course they are learning from ECIT IIT Kanpur.
So they get the certification from there.
ECIT IIT Kanpur. In every semester, they are supposed to take one course from ECIT IIT Kanpur, and that too, this is not online, this is offline. Trainers are coming from ECIT IIT Kanpur, and they are giving training, 50 hours rigorous training, then examination, then certification. This is in the UG courses. In PG courses, we are offering 2 modules per semester.
Okay.
So
Understood.
this is one of the very, you see, unique feature.
Absolutely.
Very unique feature. Yeah.
If student is opting for BCA, then of course going for a plain BCA makes no sense when there's such great opportunities available.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was some depth knowledge about BCA and MCA. Even I was not aware, so I'm pretty sure that my students must now be aware completely about why BCA and especially why BCA from IIMT University. And of course, if you have guiders like him into your college, then you're definitely going to climb up the ladder of success. It was great talking to you, Dr. Sinha.
Thank you.
Thank you for all this information, and thank you for educating me and my students out there.
Thank you.